Hi, today we talk about this new type high power 908 thermostatic 90 watt smart soldering iron. One of the favorite professional soldering iron for repair. Adjustable 300 to 600 degree thermostatic temperature control design to meet different repair requirements. Plug-in type ceramic, stable fast heating core, and durable stainless steel tip provide a smooth environment while soldering work. Bi-lead isolation material handle, safe and anti-skirting during the long-term repair work. Standard 2-pin plug with 125 cm long charge line to fit for most normal workplace. Great choice for DIY repair work, jewelry repair, silver repair, and toy repair. A promised long life service soldering tool.